Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Yes, we are doing a bun, a high bun. It's not very high, but yeah, you know what I mean. It's a bun with some African threading, and we are starting on clean hair. We're using the Shea Ganache Organics Leave-In Conditioner to condition our hair before we start doing the threading. And I'm also using the Nash Organics Twist and Shine with shea butter to seal as much moisture as possible, because I'm going to wrap this hair with Brazilian wool. And you guys, you've seen another video where I use Brazilian wool. This time I'm doing it a little bit different because the hair is a little bit longer. And for the part, I'm using Jebuston. I'm sure you've seen this video here. I'm going to put it up there. In the other video, I start by doing a braid so that I can hold the hair well with the African threading. But because the hair is a little bit longer than the hair that I was working with in that video, I am not doing the braid at all. I'm just starting with the threading. But I'm extending the hair a little bit, so that is the reason why I hold the hair like that. Half of the Brazilian wool is held into my hand, and I use the other half for wrapping the hair. I'm using 4 strands because I don't want it to be too thick. I could have used 6 or 8 strands. Brazilian wool actually comes in 8 strands, but I'm using 4 strands because I don't want it too thick. The wrapping, I know you guys have said I could wrap it the other way. I am so accustomed to wrapping this way such that that doesn't work for me. So yeah, I'm going to wrap it like this for now, but you will see at the end of this hairstyle the way I wrap the Brazilian wool that I put on the pom-pom. I tie a knot once or twice to make sure it is secure and will not unravel. At the back, I wrap 4 sections just like in the front. I am slicking the rest of the hair into a bun in sections, and I'm using dark black gel for that. Can you see the subscribers, guys? Amazing, right? If you'd asked me 3 years ago or 4 years ago if I'll be at 100,000 subscribers at some point in my life, I could have told you to get out of here. Like, get out of here, because that was like a so distant dream. I never expected, as much as I may have mentioned it in one of my videos, I never expected that to happen. Like, seriously, it was just a statement. But now look at God. Like, oh my goodness, this is so amazing. And wow, okay. So I am going to do something. I am definitely going to celebrate this milestone, and I'm definitely going to extend an invitation, especially to those people who have been with me along the journey and those who comment on my videos. I know a number will always comment on my videos and who are in Johannesburg, because definitely I cannot afford to sponsor anyone or to ship anyone to come to Johannesburg. So that's the reason why I'm going to invite those who can come to Johannesburg for the get together. It is going to be an inspirational evening, or afternoon to evening actually, because we're going to just be talking about business, entrepreneurship, and being present when it comes to doing something so that you actually succeed at it. And that's the reason why I still come here, because I'm just trying to be present. I'm just trying to show up, and yeah. All right, so yeah, I'm going to celebrate. I'm still figuring out how the celebration is going to go exactly, but I'm going to celebrate online, and I'm going to celebrate physically, like here in Johannesburg, South Africa. But thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking my videos, for sharing my videos so that other people can also subscribe. Thank you so much for all you've done. You have definitely been part of this journey, whether you subscribed today or you subscribed 2 weeks ago, or you subscribed like 7 years ago when I started YouTube. I think I started YouTube 6 or 7 years ago. I can't really remember. But yeah, whether you subscribed then, or you've commented then, or you have subscribed now, today, and you've commented today, you are part of this journey and you are part of this tribe. So thank you so much. I appreciate you every day. I appreciate what you guys are doing for my channel, even just watching my videos. I appreciate that as well. So thank you so much. The tribe is growing, and we are almost at 100,000 subscribers, or maybe when you watch this, we'll have passed the 100,000 subscribers mark. Yeah, amazing, right? Thank you so, so much. And like I said earlier, now I needed to change the direction of my wrapping with African threading, because now I needed to do a 12 first, like to twist the hair before wrapping it around the base, which is like the base of the Brazilian wool, so that I can create those corkscrew kind of demarcations. So that's the reason why I am wrapping this direction. And I struggled, especially at first. I actually kind of struggled. So yeah. I think we are used to what we are used to. Yeah, basically. So now I'm just sewing it down, guys, and that's basically it. The hairstyle, I'm sure you saw everything that I did. I tried to include as much detail as possible, so I'm sure you saw everything that I did. And that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post on this channel. Thank you so, so much. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.
Oh my goodness!
Do you like it?
Look at that!
And I did something similar at the back as well. I did, well, you're not going to see, but the camera is going to see. I did something similar at the back as well. I like it, but...
Oh my goodness! Yes, yes, yes,
I'm glad you like it. Let me take a few pictures.
Okay, alright. I've never had a style like this.